Hello students, welcome to DSS online class. I am Sarita Tiwari, your maths teacher. We were studying lesson number 6 and the name of the lesson is Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. In previous video, we learned about factors and multiples. In this video, we will learn about common factors and common multiples. What do you mean by factors? Factor is the divisor that can divide the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. And the common factor is the number that are common among the factors of two or more given numbers are called the common factor of these given numbers. The factors that are common to or more given numbers are called the common factor of those numbers. So, how can we find the common factor of the given numbers? Suppose you have two numbers and you have to find the common factor of the given number. First, we will find how many numbers can divide the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. So, we will learn from an example. For example, find the common factor of 6 and 12. So we have to find in this question the common factor of 6 and 12. What will we do? First, we will find the factor of 6. Factor of 6. Which number can divide 6 exactly without leaving any remainder? 1 can divide 6 without leaving any remainder. 1 6 is 6. So 1 is a factor of 6. And next number 2. 2 can divide. So next number is 2. 2 can divide exactly without leaving any remainder. 2 3 is 6. No leaving any remainder. So 2 is factor of 6. Next number 3. 3 is exactly divide 6 without leaving any remainder. So here is 3 and here is 6. 3 2 is 6. 3 can divide 6 exactly without leaving any remainder. So 3 is the factor of 6. Next, which number can divide 6 exactly without leaving any remainder? Now 6 can divide 6 without leaving any remainder. So here is 6. 6 1 is 6. Here is no remainder. So 6 can divide 6 exactly without leaving any remainder. So 6 is the factor of 6. So factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now we will find factor of 12. Factor of 12. So which number can divide 12 exactly without leaving any remainder? At least one divide 12 exactly without leaving any remainder. So 1 is factor of 12. 2 is also can divide 12 exactly without leaving any remainder. So 2 6 is 12. So 2 is factor of 12. Now 3 can divide 12 exactly without leaving any remainder. Let's see, 3 4 is 12. So 3 is also factor of 12. 3. 4 is also exactly divide 12 without leaving any remainder. So 4 is the factor of 12. 5, no. Now 6. 6 is exactly divide 12 without leaving any remainder. 6 2 ja 12. So 6 is the cofactor of 12. Now which number can divide 12 exactly without leaving any remainder? So 12 is exactly divide 12 without leaving any remainder. 12 1 ja 12. So 12 is the also factor of 12. So factor of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6, and factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we have to find the common factor of both. So common factor, we will circle the common factors. So 1 is common factor of 6 and 12. So 1 is common in between two numbers. 2 is also common 6 and 12. So 2 is also common factor of both numbers. Now 3 is the common factor of 6 and 3 is the common factor of 12. So 3 is also common factor of both numbers. And now 6 is the factor of 6 and 6 is the factor of 12. So 6 is also common factor of 12 and 6. So how many common factors of 6 and 12? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 is the common factor of both numbers, 2 is the common factor of both number, and 3 is the common factor of both numbers, and 6 is also common factor of the 6 and 12. So common factor, our answer is common factor of 6 and 12 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Understand? Next, learn common multiple. Let's learn common multiples. In previous video, we learned about multiples. What do you mean by multiples? Multiples means if you have a number, when you multiply this number by another number, then you get a product. This means this product is the multiple of that given number. Okay. Now we will learn about common multiple. We will learn common multiple. So common multiples is the numbers that are common among the multiples of two or more given number. Two or more given number. The numbers that are common among the multiples of two or more given numbers are said to be the common multiples of these given numbers. Means two or more numbers that have the common multiples are called the common multiples of the given number. Means if you have find the common multiple of 3 and 5, means you have to find the common multiple of 3 and 5. Example, find first two common multiple of 3 and 5. Means we have to find two common multiple of 3 and 5. What will we do? First we write the multiples of 3. up to 10 times. Of course, each number has unlimited multiples, but in this example, we will write up to 10 times. So, multiple of 3. First, we will find multiple of 3. 3. 10 times. If we multiply 3 multiply by 1, 3 multiply by 2, 3 multiply by 3, 3 multiply by 4, 3 multiply by 5, 3 multiply by 6, 3 multiply by 7, 3 multiply by 8, 3 multiply by 9, 3 multiply by 10. We will find multiples of 3 up to 10 times. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, and 3 10 ja 30. Here is multiple of 3 up to 10 times. Now we will find the multiple of 5 up to 10 times. Multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. 5 multiplied by 1, 5 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 3, 5 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 6, 5 multiplied by 7, 5 multiplied by 8, 5 multiplied by 9, and 5 multiplied by 10. So we will find the multiple of 5 up to 10 times. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45, and 5 10 ja 50. Here is multiple of 5 up to 10 times. So our question is, find first two common multiples of 3 and 5. We have to find the first two common multiple. So let's find. Here is 3, here is 5, here is 6, here is 10, here is 9, here is 15, here is 12, here is 15. So 15 is common these both numbers. So 15 is common. Next, here is 20, here is 18, here is 21, here is 24, 27 and 30. Here is 20, here is 25, here is 30. So 30 is also common in the both number. So first two common multiples are 15 and 30. So our answer is first two multiples of 3 and 5 are which numbers? 15 and 30. I hope you all have to understood well. If you have any doubt, any problem related to common multiples, common factor, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. See you again in the next video. Until then, study well. Thank you.